Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are gonna be learning how to change chart on MetaTrader 4. If you are looking for a way to change your chart type in MetaTrader 4, first of all, open the MetaTrader 4 application on your mobile device. Make sure to log into your account, and once you're in the home section, tap on the gear button at the bottom right corner. Within the settings interface, scroll down and select Charts. Under the chart option, you will see options like bar chart, candlestick, and line chart. Select the chart type you'd like to use, and then after you do that, you will be able to change the chart type. After selecting your desired chart type, you can go back to the chart tab, and there you have changed your chart style quickly and easily. So that's how it's done. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Basics for more tutorials like this. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.